YouTube friends!
During pandemics, we were forced to welcome DIY home salons at our homes. So we decided to show you how much they actually cost and what are the procedures that we are doing at home. So stay tuned!
So here you can see a table of different categories and their price tags, which we will discuss in detail separately. One of the first things that will always give you fresh and neat look is fresh manicure and pedicure. And good for us, Gelish manicure you can do at home. That will save you not only your time but also your money. All you need for basic setup are nail files for nail shape correction. Next, to keep your manicure long lasting, are good quality base and top coat. Base will make your nail surf stronger and will give your nail polish a better hold. If your nails are weak and thin, I recommend looking for rubber base because at least for me, it has proven better and longer lasting results. Whereas top will protect your nail polish from outside factors, say from scratches, and make your nails shinier or matte if you choose a matte top. Tip from me, once buying a top, check from description whether it leaves a sticky layer on your nails and you need to get a cleanser for it. Another essential is nail polish itself. Look for gel nail polish that's made for UV LED lamps. At first, don't go crazy and don't buy all the colors, because if you are using them just for yourself, they will last for a really long time. I personally, for base, top and polish, use German brand Emmy, but depending where you are locating, search for either local or available brands that you have seen in nail salons, or get information from salons what material brands they are using. Good quality that I know are Emmy, Semi, Koli and Kinetics. And of course LED UV lamp itself. I'm using this one and I'm happy with the performance. So this is the basic kit and all you need for your homemade manicure. But if you want to go all in, nice to have things are a primer for your nails that will help your manicure to last longer. Stickers with a lot of designs, and actually these ones you can order either from Amazon, from AliExpress or eBay, because as per my experience there is no big difference in quality and overall looks. Another nice thing to have is a nail drill. I don't have it at home, but it has proven to make your nail polish removing process much faster than just with regular nail files. So here are the total costs. Next thing that you can do at home is hair coloring, unless you have some really difficult hairstyle. But if you just want to color your hair roots, some gray hair, or just freshen up the total look, then go for it. Personally, I'm doing it at home all the time with some help from my partner Laura. If you are willing to start coloring your hair at home, first discuss with your hairdresser, because he or she will be able to suggest you the best shade from the brands available in your location. Additional accessories needed are brush to apply color and rubber gloves to protect your hands. In nice to have things, you can buy apron to protect your clothes unless you have an old towels to use. Next thing is hair straightening with keratin. It will make your hair smoother and shinier. Depending on the product you choose, the effect will last from 2 to 6 months. So for this you need the keratin itself, and nice to have things are special paraben and salt-free shampoos and conditioners to maintain results.
If you have to deal with your own, your husband's or your children's hair growing too huge, you can consider this option. The absolute minimum kit you have to have is hairdresser's scissors. I have at home thinning scissors, not the regular ones. As for bangs, these can be used both for shaping them as well as making them the right thickness. Other things you can consider are regular hairdresser scissors, trimming comb, hair trimmer, salon cape and clips. With that combo it will be easier to style not only your own hair but also your husband's and children's hair.
Another procedure that you can do it at home is your brow coloring with henna. Before you consider doing this, make sure you have a nice and even brown shape, as dark brows will get more attention and all flaws will be visible. I have just done my brows yesterday and I will renew them in 2 weeks. So for this, you just need hand coloring kit. And once you buy the kit, it will usually comes together with the applicator to apply the color. Another thing that you can do at home color your lashes with henna. It is one of my favorite tricks as it makes my natural lashes longer and thicker. And the result lasts for around 2 weeks. So for this, you need eyelash coloring set.
Having eyelash extensions is a very cost-efficient thing to do at home if you're used to doing this in a salon, as with 1 or 2 times you will already have the break-even point. So for this, you will need a patient friend and following materials: eyelash glue, a set of tweezers, tape, scissors, eyelash brush, eyelashes in 2 different sizes, eyelash glue remover, and eyelash cleanser. Here additionally you can buy more eyelash sizes as well as a device that will help to dry your eyelash glue faster. Also, if you have fairly light eyelashes, then it is recommended to dye your eyelashes a few days before the procedure, then they will look thicker in the final result. Regarding the products in the list, you can order some of the products from AliExpress as it will save you some money, like the eye tape, scissors, tweezers, brush and eyelashes themselves, as they do make them in fairly good quality. But the glue, cleanser and glue remover should be bought from a certified source, although the cheaper options are available also on AliExpress. There are different types of eyelashes you can buy based on the final look. You can have them more curled or straighter, longer or shorter, and thicker or thinner. Also, you can have single lashes, 2D lashes, 3D lashes and others, depending on how natural or bold you want to have your look. You can also apply this yourself, but you need to make sure that you have glue specifically made for sensitive eyes, otherwise it will be hard to keep them open while applying. Also, you need a good close-up mirror and good lighting. The same as with eyelash extensions, also you can have your hair extensions done at home by yourself or by a friend of yours, if you're used to having a tape or capsule hair. For this you will need the hair itself, and then for capsules, the capsule heating device and capsules itself, whereas for taping hair you will need then changeable tapes. Also, you will need hair remover and a trimming comb. The cost for doing this at home will really vary depending on how thick and how long you want your hair to be. The thicker and longer, the more expensive. Here you can see the price list of 5 packs for taping hair and 6 packs of capsule hair, plus the needed accessories. This is yet another amazing topic and procedure you can do at home without going to a cosmetologist every month. Although we do recommend having at least 1 session with a cosmetologist to find the best products and home routine for your skin and lifestyle. But just to get a grasp of it, I have listed down the routine I have for my face and the exact costs of the products. For most people anyway, it is recommended to have 2 times a day in the morning and before going to sleep a facial treatment procedure that consists of thoroughly cleaning and moisturizing your skin. For this you will need a cleansing gel, pH level balancing product, eye cream and face cream. As I have cuperosis, I am using products that help to treat it, which also includes in the mornings, instead of using cleansing gel, I am cleaning my face with ice cubes. Also, once in 2 weeks I am using a facial mask or a patch, and once per month a scrub for face and lips too. If you like, you can also purchase massage cups or a device like this that will help you massage your face, therefore preventing your skin of drooping and making sure your face gets the needed blood circulation going. This is the total cost of these procedures. To get rid of unwanted hair, you have several options you can try at home. You can try waxing, you can try depilation, you can try an IPL device, and of course the most simplest one, the razor. To compare the different options, razors are a painless option, but you have to repeat it regularly, and you also may get from time to time some bruises. Waxing will be a more long-lasting solution as you have to repeat it only on a monthly basis. The trick with this one is that not many people can emotionally get to doing it themselves. Depilator is a bit less painful than waxing, but you have to feel the pain for a longer time as it is much slower. But the results also will stick for about a month. And finally, an IPL device is the most long-lasting option, but also the most expensive one in terms of one-time purchase. But you will reach the break-even point quite quickly. The problem with this one, it is not suitable for all skin and hair types. It's also almost painless. Here you can see the costs for each of the procedures. And last but not least, one of the most easiest and eco-friendly ways to bring salon in your home is by having a proper tanning cream that you can apply on your skin to get a nice brown shade. For this you will need just the tanning cream and the tanning mitt to make the cream even throughout the body. So here once again you can see all the costs. In the comment section below we will write down all the products we use and the links to them. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video useful,
Give us a thumbs up and let us know in the comment section if you want to see more detailed review of any of the products and procedures.